Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to delete your study group on the Flipped application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the groups icon down below, which is the third one, and then go to the your group section and select a group. Then you should tap on the settings icon that can be found in the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the delete group option and tap on it. If you are ready to delete your group, tap on the delete button. So now, as you can see, your group has been deleted. So now you won't be able to find it in the your group section. However, you can create a new one if you want to. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.